Once there was a closet.
Ow!
Jesus!
Please don't throw that at me again.
The closet like to throw stuff at people. It was cycle like that.
Not my shoe!
Who?
I'll throw it when you least expect it. You can come out of the closet now.
No!
Yes.
I'm not coming out of the closet because then you'll make a whole bunch of gay jokes.
What? Gay jokes? Nora, come out of the closet.
Ouch. Ouch. I am the monster from the closet. I wear undies. See? They have peace signs on them. But. Uh-oh. I think I wrecked my kitty.
The rat?
Ow.
Is it on you? Oh, you probably just slobbered on it too.
Probably. Alright. The kitty is safe.
Maybe a little slobbery, but safe.
It's funny looking.
You should show them the rat.
Where's the rat? Ha! My brother gave this to me. He's such a dear.
A deer? That's upside down.
Whatever. Anyways, I knit sometimes.
Very rarely.
Yeah. This is my jacket.
It's huge.
It says snowboard jacket. It is beauteous. Like my toes.
Your toes aren't very pretty.
I know. I must go back to my closet. Watch me go. Oh. Farewell.